The Samsung next big flagship level device will be arriving in less than a month. We already know multiple leaks and rumors about the device, which pretty much give us a good idea what to expect. Yesterday, there has been another leak about the Samsung cameras, which is coming from a reliable leakster Ahmed Quader. According to the leak, this new rumor suggests that Samsung will be featuring a 24 megapixel default camera resolution on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is interesting as we have already seen this in the iPhone 15 Pro Max this year. Well, if you don't know, up till now, every smartphone was using 12 megapixel as a default resolution for capturing image and then using pixel binning technology to upscale and increase quality. But now with this new 24 megapixel resolution, you can expect to have theoretically strike a balance between image quality and storage. Why? Because the 50 megapixel and the 200 megapixel option on the current phone are impressive, they require a lot of storage space, which is why they are not used frequently. Plus, it is interesting to see will Samsung will use the same 24 megapixel resolution in the night mode of the main camera or not, because the latest iPhone 15 Pro Max, I see it quickly moves to 12 megapixel in the night mode. And moving forward, the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra may also feature a one-tap photo remaster option for quick photo touch-ups using artificial intelligence. It may include three settings: portrait, remaster, or delete. With the photo remaster option, users can quickly touch up their photos, making them look as good as new with just one tap. Furthermore, the camera may include an ND filter for 24 megapixel RAW images similar to Samsung Expert RAW. The ND filter will help user to improve the image quality by reducing light entering the camera lens. This will allow user to capture better images in a bright environment, potentially making the Samsung S24 Ultra as an excellent choice for photographer. As someone who is using the latest iPhone 15 Pro Max right now, I applaud Samsung's potential decision to switch to the Galaxy S24 Ultra primary camera to default to 24 megapixel. This change would likely enhance the detail in every image. It will be interesting to see whether the changes will also be arriving in other Samsung S24 models, including the regular S24 and S24 Plus. It makes sense that these handsets will also see the primary camera default rise from 12 megapixel to 24 megapixel, just like the four models of the iPhone 15 series. Thankfully, we should know very soon. The latest rumors suggest that Samsung will be announcing its next generation of flagship in the mid of January 17, which is less than a month away. Anyhow guys, I'm super excited about the S24 series. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this new camera upgrade? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.